to defeat this invisible enemy. First, the facts as they stand today. As of 9 a.m. today, a total of 183,190 people have been tested, of which 41,903 tested positive. 15,073 people in England have been admitted to hospital with COVID-19 symptoms. But the pattern of hospital admissions in England and Wales has regional differences. In London, the number of admissions fell slightly between the 1st and 2nd of April. Admissions are steady in Wales, but in Yorkshire and the North East, they've gone up by 35%. And in the Midlands, the rate of hospital admissions has gone up by 47%. 708 people have sadly lost their lives as a result of COVID-19, the highest daily total yet recorded. And that means that of those hospitalised in the UK, the number who've passed away now totals 4,313. Those numbers emphasise again the importance of maintaining social distancing measures to halt the spread of the disease. More than ever, we must stick with it, as the Prime Minister said in his video message. Now, I know that life under lockdown can be challenging, and some will be tempted on this sunny weekend to venture out and about. But, as the Health Secretary underlined yesterday, if we relax our adherence to the rules, we increase the risk for others. That's why it's so important to stay at home, to protect the NHS, and to save lives. We need to think of those on the front line and the sacrifices that they're making for us. As the Chief Nursing Officer for England reminded us yesterday, Ruth May asked us to remember 2 NHS nurses who died after contracting COVID-19. Arima Nasreen, who was just 36, and Amy O'Rourke, aged 39, each had 3 young children. They died while doing everything they could to help the sick and the suffering. We can all best honour them by playing our part in fighting the disease, by staying at home and slowing the spread. 7 healthcare professionals have now lost their lives to COVID-19, and we offer our heartfelt condolences to their grieving families and to the many others mourning the loss of loved ones. They include the family of Ismail Mohamed Abdulwahab, who died aged just 13 in King's College Hospital in London. His mother and siblings are showing symptoms of the virus, and they were unable to say their final goodbyes at his funeral. In their despair, the loving, dignified tributes from Ismail's parents are truly haunting. Our thoughts today are also with the family of the 5-year-old child with underlying health conditions who's tragically died. So again, you must stay at home to protect the NHS